Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. In this video, I will show you receive contact informations. To share your contact information, set up your My Card in contact settings on your iPhone after iOS 17 update. When you share the contact informations via the namedrop to another phone, that time it's showing these problems. Now this question is how to fix these problems on my iPhone after iOS 17 update. Now first of all, open the contact app from the iPhone home screens, open it. After you can see also first one is My Card. Now tap on the right hand side corner edit option. In My Card you can check the email and phone number you add or not. If not, add the mobile number and email address. So guys, please make sure add your email and also phone number in My Card. After add both informations, after you can tap on the right hand side corner done icon. This way too you can easily this problem fix on your iPhone. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.